Hello YouTube, welcome to another unboxing experience review with me, Oz, the guy that makes 8-bit music. If you like that sort of stuff or if you're just curious, check it out. I've put a link in the video description. And it's hot today, that's why there's fan noise in the background, because we have the fans running. And that is actually, it makes a lot of sense because today we are unboxing the Noctua industrialPPC, so it's the Noctua NF-A14 industrialPPC-2000 RPM PWM fan. And you know I like the Noctua boxes in my previous unboxing, so let's see if this is just as good. And to open it, I think you do have a little thing here. The feel of the box, this text here is protruding, so that adds some value. I feel this is a sticker here. You gotta, I thought it would be, I guess it is, it's fairly simple. And you open it and you get greeted with the bare fan, and this is carbon fiber material, something or other, and it kind of smells like an industry. What is this? Okay, you get 4 fan screws, and Cat likes the box. And when you, this is really heavy actually. When you remove, okay, so you gotta kind of route the cable from behind here in order to get the fan out. Oh, I get it. But yeah, I would say compared to the retail versions of the fans, this is kind of barren. Like you get the fan, you get the fan screws, and then that's it. But I'm imagining that if you want the frills version, you would buy the retail, which I have also done a previous unboxing of. And yes, we get the approval of Percy. He likes the box as well. So I gotta say, I think that this is good stuff. The box, it was simple to unbox it. You don't really even need an extension cable, because look at the length of that cable. It could reach anywhere. And yeah, like it is PWM, and you have, this kind of feels rugged. Like it's, I like the feel of it all. So yeah, that pretty much sums it all up. I will give this an 8 because while it wasn't super easy to get into the box, I got it figured out after a while. And now we have Baxter, the third cat, approving of the box. I guess I'm gonna have to give it a 9 if all of the cats say that it is fine. So that is good stuff. I will give it a 9. And like I said, I make 8-bit music, so check that out if you're into that kind of thing. And see you next time. Oh yeah, like, comment, subscribe, share with your friends, and watch the video again. So yeah, oops, big bags. Alright, bye.